Imagine waking up every day with real energy. A body that feels light, clean, and alive. And a natural glow that comes from within. But right now, you feel tired, drained, out of balance. The truth is, your body isn't broken. It's just missing the right nourishment. What if the solution wasn't in pills, but in simple, powerful recipes you can make right in your kitchen? Introducing Natural Vitality Kitchen. Your complete guide to healing homemade recipes and herbal remedies designed to restore your energy. Cleanse your body and awaken your inner glow. No chemicals, no confusion, just natural, effective healing. This is more than a book. It's your daily roadmap to feeling better, stronger, and more alive. Start taking care of your body the natural way. Get your copy now. Link in bio, or send a message to receive it today.